When we have lot of text information in our database, it is very common that we apply lot of text filters. Sometimes we have exact information to be searched, but most of the time we know the starting pattern or ending pattern or anywhere in between the data. So in such case, what will we do to get the correct information? Let's see how to do. See this data. It has 3 columns and all are text: employee code, PAN, and employee name. Employee name is composed of 2 things: last name, comma, first name. So here last name is written first and first name is written second. Suppose I am looking for employee where last name is James. So here, as you know the pattern, first name is second part and before comma it is last name. So I am looking for begins with pattern. So click the drop down of employee name, click text filter. You will find so many conditions like equal, begins with, ends with, contains. Here I am looking for starting pattern. So click begins with, type James, click OK. These are the employees where last name is James. Let's see another example of starting pattern. These are different PAN numbers, and we all know that PAN numbers have some formation. I'm not talking about the complete formation of PAN. Let's see only a part of it. Here, the fourth letter indicates what type of PAN it is. If P, then it is personal. If the fourth letter is C, it is company. If the fourth letter is F, it is firm. If the fourth letter is H, it is HUF, and so on. Click the drop down of PAN. Click text filter. Whenever you have question like first letter, second letter, third letter, it is always begins with. Now here, if I type P, it means it is first letter P, beginning with first letter P. But I want P should be fourth. So how to make P fourth letter? If I put question mark before P, question mark means any letter but one letter. Here question mark is called as wild character. There are 2 wild character, question mark and star. We will see star in another example. Question mark means one letter. So if I put 2 question mark, 2 letters, but any 2 letters. So I want fourth letter P. So 3 question mark, then P. Click OK. These are the PAN where fourth letter is P. Let us see one more example for starting pattern. Consider this sample data. Employee code column. It is made up of different information. First letter indicates which region this employee is working, then slash. Then next 3 letters will indicate which department he or she is working. Then slash and then year of join, then slash and then employee code. So this employee code information has many information inside. So suppose I'm looking for employees of accounts department. Here I'm not looking for any specific region accounts department. Irrespective of region, I want to see accounts department people. Let's see how to do. Click the drop down of employee code. Select text filters. Select begins with criteria. Type 2 question mark, then ACC. Click OK. These are the employees who are working in accounts department. Understood? Let's learn ending pattern in text filter. Take this data. Full name column has two parts, last name, comma, first name. And this time I'm searching where first name is James. And as per the pattern of full name, first name is at the end. So here I'm looking for employee where first name is James. Click the drop down of full name. Click text filter. Select ends with. Type James. Click OK. So we got one employee where first name is James. Another example for ending pattern. See this sample data. In the first name column, I'm searching where the second last letter is E. Let's see how to do. Click the drop down of first name. Select text filter. Select ends with. Type E, and to make E second last, type question mark after E. Click OK. These are the employees where second last letter is E. Now we will learn what is the objective of using asterisk as a wild character and also how to use it. Take this sample data. Here, suppose I am searching in the first name. My search pattern is first letter is M, third letter is C, and second last letter is E. Let's see how to do. Click the drop down of first name. Select text filter. When we know full pattern, starting pattern as well as ending pattern, then always use equal. So click equal. Now type M because I want first letter M. Then question mark because second is anything. Remember previous example. Then C because I know third letter is C. Now I will talk about the ending pattern. Type question mark because the last is anything. Then before question mark type E because second last place it is E. Now between C and E it is not fixed that how many characters and which character. So we will use asterisk wild character which represents a series of characters. So it can be 0 character or it can be one or more than one character. So your pattern is M question mark C star E question mark. Click OK. See the result. Michael, Mickey and Mackay. You will see first letter is M, third is C and second last is E. And between C and E, in Mickey, between C and E, there is one letter. In Michael, between C and E, there are two characters. And in Mackay, between C and E, there is no character. Understood? We have understood starting pattern. There we will use begins with and question mark wild character. Then ending pattern where condition will be ends with and question mark as a wild character. Then matching pattern in between means using star as a wild character. Share the video, spread the knowledge.